Management. Hi friends. Your ears must be tired of frequently hearing the word management accompanied with many prefixes like sales management, marketing management, hotel management, stress management, export management, etc. So, once again, a warm welcome to the SAIL, Shaoor's Academy of Infinite Learning. If you come to understand the real philosophy of this word management, you will really realize why this word has been given an extremely important space in the world to get the desired results. In fact, the word management is standing on four main pillars that shoulder the countless weight of this magical phenomenon. These four pillars are planning, organizing, leading, and control. This POLC plays a vital role in our lives, right from every petty task of an individual to the lucratively robust activities of the world's top business empires. This is undoubtedly crucial to understand each of these pillars to enjoy the frequent listening of this word management in our professional and non-professional life even. Let's understand each of these pillars. Planning is a process of formulating a roadmap along with steps and procedures involved to reach the objective set. Organizing is the process to bring all resources together, aligned, in order preferably in a timely manner to execute what was actually planned. Leading means having a bird's-eye view on what is happening and streamline the process wherever and whenever there is a deviation noticed or reported. Control implies a continuous monitoring of every phase of the process to make sure that everything is carried out as per parameters set and initially planned. But management is not that simple. There are many factors which need to be kept in mind before applying the approach based on these four pillars. Different kind of management requires involvement in different percentage of these pillars. In one sort of management, planning/control is more required than organizing/leading. In another kind of management, only planning is required 95%, and rest organizing/leading control together needs to be applied only 5%. For instance, in a firefighting management, a little bit instant planning is required, and then a prompt action means organizing is required with professional control. While in making a giant state-of-the-art plaza, an extensive planning, professional organizing, moderate level of leading and project management-based control are usually sought. There are many aspects that make us competent in the management. This is the deepest ocean where the deeper you go, the more you learn, and we will continue to study this management rather deeper in the next forthcoming videos. Take care of the peoples around you more than yourself. Till next videos, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Learn with SAIL. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. See you next time.